Good evening students, welcome back in our art session. In previous session we had learned figure drawing, right students? Means only face, then complete figure, how to measure figure, that also we learn. Now we'll start actual topic, actual drawing. Why we learn that basic, here we'll see that. So that was the figure drawing. Here we'll start memory drawing. Okay, and memory drawing is the main means like a figure drawing next step, and main topic is in memory drawing we are learning there are different topics. So why we learn figures for this, for memory drawing? So in memory drawing our topic is picnic. Okay, at least 3 figures are important. Okay students, okay, tell me, are you enjoying picnic? No? Yes, we all enjoying picnic, right student? It will be a school picnic, it will be a family picnic. We all love to go outside to see new place, then enjoy there, right students? And sometimes we are going with friends, means like a school picnic. So that time we are enjoying in ride, in water pool, right students? And there we are getting too much rush and all. Sometimes we are going outside with our family, right? With our cousins, with our parents, right student? Sometimes we are going natural places also, and there also we are enjoying with our parents, with our cousins, right student? Sometimes we are going by vehicle, private vehicle, sometimes we are going by bus, sometimes we are going with a train, right? So this type of vehicles also we are using for going picnic. And then when we are first, so we are enjoying all the things, right students? So here we'll draw any one situation, means what you are doing, you are traveling there and then you are going and then you are enjoying there. These are the parts of picnic, but we have to show any one situation of the picnic, right student? So whatever situation you know, whatever situation is there in your mind, day before yesterday, last month, last year, before 2 years, whatever situation is there in your mind, what are you enjoying in picnic, that you have to show. Here I am going to show one example. That is my this is my idea. Okay students, I want to see your ideas, so you will show completely different drawing. Okay, this what I am showing, this is my idea, so I don't want same picture. You will draw your own. You can take help from any textbook, you can take help from elementary book. Search some figures, related figure, whatever is there in your mind. So related figures you have to search, and then you will draw here. Before drawing you will take measurement, right? And you all know how to measure figures, right students? So let's start picnic. I am showing here I'm not showing here swimming pool, or I'm not showing here slide and all. I'm showing here natural place. So whatever you want you can show there. I'm showing natural place. Okay, so here at least 3 figures are important for our memory drawing. So topic is picnic. You have to draw only picnic. You will not draw any other topic. Okay, whatever main topic is there, that only you have to draw, but show your ideas. Okay, so figures are important, right student? First only I tell, with figures our background also important. Suppose I am showing here suppose I am giving just example, I am showing here market, and backside I'll show their beach. So what will say, that is not a suitable, right students? So here also whatever topic is there. Figure should be important. Figures you will show suitable. But background also suitable. Means if you are showing picnic, so show like that background also. Okay. So for standing figure, we drawn there. We have taken like this measurement, right? So if you are showing sitting figure, so take the half. Don't start directly. If you are confused, don't start directly right side. You can start left side, and there you see there what your figures you want. You draw there, select, and then main pictures, main figures. Which figures you want here, you take there. Okay, student. So here I am taking 3 figures. So I am marking here. First I'll draw roughly. I'm showing family picnic, so here I'll show children and parents. I'm showing here sitting as they are eating some snacks. You can show they are playing with any racket, with food, they are throwing, passing the ball. Any game you can show there. and you should show some movement. Don't show like a statue, means they are doing something, some action like that. You have to show. Figures, okay. See student, you should draw complete figure and then only you will rub step by step. Okay. Now next important part, background. Okay, so you can show they are sitting on mat here near tree is there. Okay, and then what are extra part we are shown you use here for drawing work, that you have to rub. Here you can show back side, there is river or water, and there far things you can show there, some small trees you can show there. Okay, so this way our drawing is ready. So student, our drawing part is ready. Next period we will see color work. This is my idea. Again I am saying I want your idea. So draw your own picture. You can see from any textbook or you can draw by your own, but don't draw same. I want your own ideas. Okay student, so next period I'll show you how to color, how to use color for figures. So thank you student, take care.